Hi, welcome back to the video 26 of our Adobe Premiere Pro classes. In this video, you are going to learn how to adjust the clip speed and duration for a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So this is very simple guys, and it is actually useful for you in the scenarios where you want to speed up any particular part of the clip. Maybe you are showing time-lapse videos or you want to fast forward any of the video. This is really helpful. Just follow along with me so that you won't get any errors. After opening the Premiere Pro and adding your clip, for this clip I want to increase the speed. Select the clip and right click. You can see a list of options here. From here, choose speed or duration option. After you click, this is the new window will be opened. Here you can change the speed as per your need. For example, if I want to make it as 200%, I mean double the time of the video, as you can see, even at the bottom, the duration also is changing. I mean, this is the final duration you will get for this clip. If I make it as 100, this is 32 seconds and 13 frames clip. If I make it as 200% faster, that will converts into 16 seconds and 6 milliseconds, not frames actually, 6 milliseconds clip. If I hit on OK, as you can see here, on the top of the clip, you can see how much speed it is increased will be shown. So that's how it works. If in case for your clip any audio is also attached and you want to maintain the pitch for that audio, enable one more option. I'll show you how it looks like so that you get a better understanding. So let's say I want to increase this clip speed. I select both clips, right click, then choose speed or duration and make it as 200 and enable this option, maintain audio pitch, and click on OK. Even you can use the shortcut key to increase or decrease the speed. So if I press the R, this is how the mouse cursor will be changed. And if I drag the clip like this, as you can see, now this clip is at 78.05% speed. This option you can find it from the side menu bar. If in case this option is not showing, move the mouse cursor, long press the left key until you see these some more options. From here, choose the rear stretch tool. The shortcut key for this is R. You can simply press the R and you can move as per your need. So yeah, that's pretty much about the increasing and decreasing the speed of a video clip in Adobe Premiere Pro guys. And in the next video, what I'm going to show you is how to do the reverse for a particular video clip. For example, if any object is falling from top to bottom, how to make it as reverse from bottom to top, followed by some remapping options I will explain. See you again in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick updates.